Ugh. Shit. Well, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. Ugly. Ugly. All that work and it's ugly. So, now down here, guys, if you look, can't quite see, this thing, this cigarette plug, I can carefully run these wires. I don't know if I want to run them in between this desk though, in case they get pinched the hell out, if you know what I'm saying. But what I may do is mount a screw here, and then I can plug in my, I'll run a screw through this crappy piece of plastic. Should be able to hold that. And then we'll plug this bitch in. What do you think? If I mount this down here somewhere, and then that cord just gets plugged in, like right there. I think I can do that. So, let's find a, I don't know if I have any 1-inch long impact bits, but I have one of these little baby suckers that should do the trick. It's not going to be the perfect mount, but at least it'll hide a lot of that wiring. Perfect enough for me. What do you guys think? Shit, yeah. Alright. Should we dare plug everything in now? Actually, I'm turning the power on first. That always makes sense. Shut these lights off. Alright. Watch Rob struggle. Today on the Off-Grid Tiny House. Or is that every day? I don't know. Alright, so of course that was the hardest part of getting the new appliance, was the wiring. But that's just wonderful, isn't it? I can charge up the Dyson now too. Oops. There we go. Not too shabby. So, before I plug it in, guys, we're gonna see what actually happens here. It's gonna be something else. Move all these tools and crap out of here. And I'll mess with that in a minute. Whew. Alright. The wind is insane out there right now. Alrighty guys, so let's check the battery here for 13.16 volts and 0.02 amps coming in. It's pretty much in float mode. We're about to change that. Let's hook up our new fridge. Dometic. Here we go. She is plugged in. And there's no power. Of course not. Power button. Oh shit, it's got a display and everything. Let me read this. 13 volts, 28 degrees Celsius. Manuals. Set temperature. I just heard it cycle on. Battery protection. Medium is good. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Let's go to Wi-Fi just for fun. It's off. I don't need anybody hacking my shit. Bluetooth off. Set temperature 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. What other settings do we have? Oh, display, temperature units, ice maker, display. Oh, brightness, back. Temperatures. I like Fahrenheit. Ice maker off, because the reason for that says it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit in there right now, which is so cool. That is pretty amazing. Very quiet, guys. I'm gonna put those bottles of water in here because why not? I think it's time, right? And of course I can't set the camera here, right? So stay, camera, stay. We're gonna open the fridge. It is on, and I'm gonna pop these bottles of water down in here. Oh, there's an LED light here too. So cool. And now that it's running, let's go over to my bad boy here and see what we're pulling. Not very much. But it's going to take a while for this thing to do its deal. I have it vented all the way around pretty heavily. Back here, and lots of room for venting. And got my little mount for the cord, and then I can still put something here. And I think we're good. Yay! Now Rob gets to rest a little bit. Maybe. Okay. So the reason I took my glasses off is because, wow, it's so hot and the sweat is just ripping down here. Ugh. Unbelievable. Whew. Unbelievable, guys. So while the fridge is running completely off the grid, which I love, fridge, freezer running completely off the grid, guys. Sweet. And it's big enough for anything that I want, really. I'm a single guy here, guys. Not got a whole lot in my fridge. Don't need a whopping family-sized refrigerator. Especially since this bad boy is going to take care of everything I need. And I'm pretty impressed so far. So I put those bottles of water in. We will return when it starts cooling down. So in the meantime, recap. This is the model of 12 volt fridge freezer that I bought from Dometic off of Amazon. And let's go ahead. It's got a 5-year warranty, guys. Let's go ahead and read the box together, because that's what we do here at the Off-Grid Tiny House. Okay, this is in French. Let's not. Let's get to the good stuff. Removable ice trays. Integrated ice compartment produces ice in a few hours. User-friendly interface. Full color, high resolution. TFT user interface displays operating status. Rugged construction. It definitely is that. I do like that, and I do like that. Optimized VMSO3 controlled compressor. Efficient variable speed cooling with minimal power consumption. Guys, amazing. A 12 volt compressor. Unbelievable. When this technology gets adapted more and more, hopefully they get figure out how to make the air conditioners more efficient, so us off-gridders can relax in comfort. Flexible power options, AC or DC. Battery power and solar compatible. Yes, it is. New CFX app. Temperature control via an app. I don't need my fridge / freezer being hacked, so I disabled that features. And let's get to the specs. Dimensions. Width 28 by 35 inches. Diameter 17.91 inches. Height 18.9 inches. Product width 25.98 inches. Net weight 46.97 pounds. Yes, it is heavy. Amount of cans of Coke 83. Diabetic. Storage volume 53i, whatever that is. Be right back.